So any kind of business, how to increase our page likes, how to create campaign for the Facebook page likes. In this website is launching for a particular Facebook page. This page will be getting very less likes. How will be generating for increasing page likes? The page like will be option is called, here's a two options is there. This called two option will be there. One is called facebook.com/manage, facebook.com/manage. In this, for adding for money purpose, which means adding for money purpose. In this, for ad creation will be two process. One is Facebook page, second will be facebook.com/manage. In this manage, where go to ads manager, we can create your ad here. The ad nothing but create your ad. When you click the create your ad, they're showing for total 13 type of ads. How many total? 13 type of ads. Main category, awareness, consideration, conversion. In this engagement, one of the options is called page likes. Is a first step. Second step, go to your Facebook page. Direct ad will be created. Where? Go to your Facebook page, click for post option. In this, advertise your business. Where? Advertise your business. Select it. In this, what showing for? Promote your page. Boost your post. Promote your send message. And promote your page. Promote your business locally. Promote your content button. Contact us button. Get more website visitor. Get more leads. In this, what is going for? Promote your page. After page, every image, the text content will be less than 20%. Is an ad rule. How to check? That is called, we can check every image, Facebook overlay. Where you can check Facebook overlay. So this is called URL. facebook.com/ad/tool/text_overlay. Any image text content below 20% is required. Above 20%, the ad will be may not be run. This URL will be understanding perfect things. So after that, here you can check the every image. What showing ad will be? Your ad may be not run. Why? But text content will be overlap. Is a overlap. So selecting a single image. First of all, browse library, upload image, go to your particular folder, select your image and upload it. Before uploading, the email will be checking for where in this option. Image test okay, ad run will be okay. Test low will be, the ad reach for 80%. Medium, ad reach for 40%. High, the ad will be may not be run. Why? Text will be high. So see this. Continue. I'm changing image. What's the main reason? After uploading image, they once again show the message. The ad may not be run. Why? Text is the more than 20%. More than 20%. And this ad will be showing for desktop feed and mobile news feed. Desktop feed and mobile news feed. So in this, I'm selecting browse image, upload it. Select your image, upload your image. Here also you can check, go for images. Image is okay, will continue. Image is okay, will continue. See this. What's showing for? Okay. So in this one, Select it. Okay. Now image done. Everything done. And select your age people. Click for edit. First of all, target location total Hyderabad. Age people. I'm setting for 13 years to up to 50 years. All gender and male or female. But I'm target for this will be up to 45 years. Up to 45 years. Here I'm targeting audience. Every audience will be eligible. Employees, students, every employee will be eligible. So nothing. Suppose we have to showing for swimming interest people. If we adding for swimming interest people, but I have show everyone to show the advertise. Why? Because we can reach the common people also. Swimming everyone interest. We can give the particular related trainings. So don't select any options. Suppose we'll selecting for swimming. What the reach will be here? 63 lakhs after adding swimming. How much? 1 lakh 30,000. So first we target by swimming people. Suppose how many people is there? 1 lakh 30. After that, target by the student. How much? 14 lakhs. I'm target students and swimming related peoples. Same. Done. After that. So they're showing for error. Why? Because my account will be no balance. So in how many days you're running ad? Minimum you're running, how many ads will be running for minimum? 4 days. So my daily budget is daily 100. For 4 days, how much budget? 400, including tax, 18 rupees. Total 118. Now your balance will be checked where selecting your billing. Where go to Facebook manager, click for billing and payment setting. The payment will adding for total methods will be there. How much my money will be? 0. Add money, debit and credit card, Facebook ads coupon, net bank and Paytm wallet. How much total? 4 option. And here, when you create a campaign time, you can select by the 40 rupees also. How much? How much will be deducted? 47.20 paisa. Here, everything. For showing, run this ad continuously. How much your budget? Daily budget? 40 rupees. How much your budget will be? Daily. Choose when this ad will be ended. 4 days or 3 days, everything. But you run this continuous how many days? Daily 40 rupees. How much like will be received? 14 to 41 likes. I'll give the 100 rupees. 35 to 102 likes. 35 will be fixed up to 102. In between likes will be got. After that, scrolling. Everything is fine. So check this. So image smaller than 600 by 600 is issue. Image will be very small. Change. Browse image. Everything have to check. Everything you have to check is a more important. Continuously. After uploading this image, still. So that is called, we can create image by your option, uploading. Select it. Any other? So, content. Indoor, swimming pool, Hyderabad. Seasonswim.com. Indoor swimming pool in Hyderabad, seasonswim.com. Here, I'm running for indoor Season means pools. Why? Have the multiple locations are there. In adding purpose, I'll go the right contact us page. Which page? See this. For showing for promote. Showing for promote. After click for promote, image issues, anything, they will be add for the promote option will be not enabled. Small issue also, payment is not there or there, no issues. But image is more important. The image will be less than 20% test content. How to check? Facebook overlay option. GST. Continue. I don't have GST. So click for OK. So where you can check ad will be approved or not. The ad will approve will be check for publishing tools. Where? Publishing tools. Save changes is done. Close. Ad is creating. Close here. Where you can check for ad center. Here you can show your ad here. For the purpose, we're showing for review. Once is approved, discard your likes. But payment, everything add by where? Facebook.com/manage. So in this adding your payment. We're using for net bank, everything can add your payment. So how much you add the payment? 100 or 200, 300, you can add the n number of balance. So in this, we're adding for every balance will be here. So in this. But right now is a 0. After add the payment, add will be continue. Else the show will be like this. The ad will be there, but no use. And if you're checking purpose, you can go to where? Ads manager. Want to check your page. This ad will be showing for Facebook page. When you're creating ad will be when your Facebook page time. If you're creating for Facebook manager, they're showing only for Facebook manage option. So ad is showing is a review. So any ad will be not showing interested, you can stop. It's clear. This is the stop option. It's a new update. This a theme will be new update. Is it clear? So this is called create your Facebook like increase ads manager campaign using for without Facebook manager. Only we adding Facebook manager for adding the balance.